All right, first locate your OB port. It's going to be, or it should be, somewhere around your driver's knee on the driver's side. Once you plug it in, good to go. Put your key to the on position. For us, we're just going to start our vehicle, but you don't have to start it. You can just put it to the on position but not start it. We're just starting ours. All right, now let's go over what it looks like. So you got OBD2 Scan, service, data, lookup, print, help, and setup. So as you guys can see, plenty of cable. We can take it the whole way out there, which is really nice. Hello my friends, and welcome back. Today we are reviewing ThinkScans. So we're reviewing the ThinkScan 600, but there are other ones a part of their series, the 601 and the 609. So this would make a great gift for a mechanic or for somebody who likes cars, or for yourself, because with this you guys can do a lot of different things. So right away we see they provide you with a nice long manual. They provide you with a USB that allows for a micro SD card, charger, power case, and this is it. So overall, it is really nice quality. So up in here is how you can connect it to your computer, or connect it, for the power. If you want to update it in different stuff, right up in here is the SD card, which they do supply you with an SD card, so that is a plus. You have DTC, ER, IM readiness, question mark, left, right, up and down, OK, and back. You have indicator lights like right here, power, no DTC, pending DTC, permanent DTC. Overall, it's great, nice handhold, nice screen. So for this, is very simple. You would connect the one end to your OB port in your vehicle, and then you connect the other one. And let me just stop right here and say, finally, a company actually makes a long enough cable. So many companies that make OB readers don't give a long enough cable, and it gets so frustrating for us people who use them. So for this, you just line it up, and then you thread this in like so. Make it tight. You don't have to make it super tight, just make it tight. And now this goes into your vehicle's OB port. Let's show you guys the functionality of it. All right, first locate your OB port. It's going to be, or it should be, somewhere around your driver's knee on the driver's side. Once you plug it in, good to go. Put your key to the on position. For us, we're just going to start our vehicle, but you don't have to start it. You can just put it to the on position but not start it. We're just starting ours. All right, now let's go over what it looks like. So you got OBD2 Scan, service, data, lookup, print, help, and setup. So as you guys can see, plenty of cable. We can take it the whole way out there, which is really nice. So we're entering our system now, going over and scanning, showing some stuff. So now you can read codes if there's any code. So our vehicle has no fault codes. You can erase codes. You can do IM readiness, which tells you pretty much if it's ready for inspection or not. Let's do this. All right, everything is checking out okay. You can do data stream. Now for data stream, make sure your vehicle is running for data stream. And now it's going to go over some different stuff. I mean, you got all kinds of different things you can see: fuel, engine RPM, vehicle speed, ignition, timing, air intake, temperature, sensors, all kinds of different stuff. I mean, it's almost never ending. And you can view that stuff live. You can do freeze frame. You can do O2 sensor test. So our vehicle doesn't support O2 sensor tests. You can do onboard monitoring. do multiple different tests. EVAP system test. So just a lot of different stuff, and you can do vehicle information as well. We can do regular scan, and now it's scanning, and then we can enter our vehicle make, model, and go through there. You can do service, if your vehicle needs service, and different stuff, so you can go through that. But overall, there's a ton of different things that you guys can do. Overall, it's very nice. Great thing with this, if you do have any check engine light codes, you can erase them as well. So you can reset the brake, you can reset the oil, reset your TPMS. Now other vehicles will have more options as well, but that's just what we can do for our vehicle. So overall, this is a really nice OB reader. A lot of stuff you can do. You got record mode, beeper, unit of measure, and language that you can do. And again, there's a ton more stuff that you guys can do. Make a great OB reader for anybody.